Hello everyone. Welcome back my YouTube channel 𝗬𝗍 Editing. In this video, I will show you 𝗫𝗍𝗶 for other video editing softwares. Here are example video before and after using this LUTs. These presets can be downloaded via the link in the description below. But LUT file is protected by a password. The password will appear in the upper right corner. Watch this video in your YouTube app to get the password.